Hello everyone, my name is Chloe Agoyo, and today I will be showing you how to make a cutout hearts. So I'm going to put this heart alongside this board of instruction, and starting off with our materials, we will be needing scissors. The second material we will be needing is paper. If you like a pop of color, I suggest using some construction paper. Third material is either a pen or a pencil. I will be using a pen. Moving on to our big abbreviation of this activity is T, F, and C. The T stands for trace. The F stands for follow, which is just following that trace and just going all the way, following through. And the cuts is when you know you are all done with the activity. So before we get started, let's do some practice, invisible practice. And we're gonna get our paper and our writing utensil. And we're not necessarily going to write on it just yet, or we're not going to make our trace just yet, but we will imagine doing so just to get our muscles moving. So you can imagine you making your trace to the size you'd like it to be and to the shape you'd like it to be. So for me, I want to do a big heart. So I'm just going to be practicing on making a big shape. Just like that. And now that in my imagination, the trace is all done, I am going to get my scissors and just imagine me cutting through the shape. I'm using my right hand, but if you're using your left hand, then it would be the same thing. So just imagine you cutting through these edges. So you want to just go around, and kind of get your hands moving, your muscles going, and just practice doing that cutout. If you are doing a smaller one, you could be moving your hands kind of at a slower pace than as if you were doing a bigger hearts. So now let's get started with our trace. We are going to get our paper and a pen, and you go ahead and make the shape of heart you wanted. So I'm gonna make a big heart, like I said, but you can make it as small as you want. So remember our practice is we practice through the dashes. Just do the same thing on the paper until you are satisfied. Alright, so this is how my trace is looking. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut through it. So we're gonna need our scissors and our paper. And we're just gonna follow step 2, which is follow. So let's follow through. And remember these edges as we are practicing that movement. We're gonna do the same exact thing here. Same movements. And we're all done. So this is my heart that I cut out. And it is now a part of the collection. So I hope you enjoyed this activity. And when do you find yourself cutting out a heart again, remember the 3 big steps: T, F, and C. Trace, follow, and cut. If you follow these 3 steps, you will end up with your perfect hearts.